Right, so it's a continuation of that video we were making yesterday, that it was iPhone 6, no power, and it had the symptoms that it had a full voltage here coming on the battery connectors, and it was nice and neat, clean board, no liquid damage, no corrosion, no impact damage. I mean, nothing was there. All right, I can see now. What I can see, there's slightly bent here where the TriStar IC is actually. So it's slightly bent here. It could be the reason that why it stopped working. So anyway, yesterday we changed the TriStar IC. It did boot up, but then it stopped at the Apple logo, and it was all sort of things, and then it went on recovery mode actually. It went to the recovery mode. So then what I did today, I just did a little bit of test on it and examine it again. And before I thought I'd do a software on it, I thought I'll try another TriStar IC on it, and it did work. So changing the TriStar IC on this phone, it worked and is working fine. So what we're going to do, I'm going to just show you the board first. It's the same board we were working on yesterday. We had a tiny cut at the both side, and we just changed this TriStar IC here. So let's check on the computer. Let's check it, what it's doing now. I've tested already. I just thought to make a video of that because it was an iPhone 6, that phone, 6S, no power. Okay, so now I usually just connect the connectors of touch and LCD and give it a power. Let it come on. So it's as I said previously, it had the same symptoms. Ooh, what happened? What happened here again? Seriously? What is it? Okay, let's see what it does. Yeah, so it did boot up, and we did not lose any sort of data on it, and everything is still on the phone. And we're gonna see that what does it do when it's charging. If it did increase. I mean, it was 4% battery, now it went up to 9%. I'm gonna just make sure one more time where the battery stands now. So we are on 12%, so we're okay. It's flickering is on the LCD. It's a testing LCD, and it have an issue. So yeah, that came on. It's not stuck in any recovery mode anymore. We have full voltage. Phone does come on. Only problem is that we have a code on, and we do not have a code from the customer. So yeah, but just the rest of the video, as we made some of this video yesterday. So today is 9th of January 2018, 4:45 here in England, Manchester. So if you have any phones which have these kind of symptoms, if you are working on the logic board and your micro solder repairer, then you should consider this tip before checking or doing any sort of software on the device, because if you do a software on it, it must be stuck on some other error, and then if you search that error, then you will be working somewhere else instead of working on the specific problem which you found in this phone. No power. Okay, so just one more time. I'm gonna check how much the battery voltage now. Battery going up. So yeah, we're going up to 14%. So we are okay with this phone. We're satisfied, working fine. And this is it then. Gonna make more videos. Keep watching our channel. Subscribe, please. Thank you very much. Bye.